Hey guys, I'm Dev back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful brick wall art in Affinity Photo. These are my images to complete this artwork. First, select your brick wall image. You can find it on pixabay.com or Google search. First, remove background from main image. I'm not going to more detail on remove background because I already made few different way videos on how to remove background. So if you need to know, you can check those videos on this channel playlist, or I will put those link on video description. Okay. Now background removed. Go to adjustment, threshold. Hold the slider, drag to right or left and check according to your image. Here I am keeping 45%. Select all layers and right click, then merge visible as make it in one layer and delete rest as not needed. Now go to top menu, select tonal range, select shadows. This will select only the darkest part of the image and rest bright part will become transparent. See? Now copy or cut this by Ctrl C or Ctrl X and place this on brick wall background. By same steps again I am using on this image. Now merge both images and make it in one layer. Make a copy of it, Ctrl J. Now hide first image layer for now and select middle image layer. Go to top menu bar, filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Here I am using 15%. Change blend mode to overlay. Now select top menu layer and activate it. And again change this layer blend mode to overlay. See, image mixed properly with the brick wall. Now few additional adjustments, HSL, and here you can change color tone according to your wish. Feel free and check it. Okay, now select first image and change its opacity to 75% to 90% or 85%. Few additional adjustment, use levels. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity Photo, then subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing, cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.